So I build a AI code mentor. Have you done coding, bro? Historically, have you
I
done?
tried to, but as a
Okay.
non-tech, it was
Yeah,
very hard,
it's
and
hard.
it is very hard to find someone who can guide you properly.
Yeah, I agree.
So I have tried. I learned some of the basics of SQL also,
Mm-hmm.
but Python it was some other thing.
Got it. Yeah. So, for example, what you see is, as I was saying, right, in the lecture, there is a lecture where you will see all the lectures, and obviously we will have classes also, and then there will be practice exercise on every concept. So, for example, this is for SQL. Now, and there will be quiz also. Now, let's say during this practice exercise, you might have some doubt. You can reach out to me for sure. And then what we are doing is we have built a AI code mentor, which is it will help you solve your coding questions. It will not give you answer, right? It will not give you answer. It will not spoon
Right.
feed you, but it will give you hints. For example, let's say I'm giving us, some SQL.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do select statement in SQL?
Right. If you are managing a database, and
Yeah,
if you want to select a particular table, right,
yeah,
you have to use select as a statement.
correct.
So
And you
you
write
want to select.
correct, and you give the column names if you are aware, right? So
Right. Yeah.
and the columns names are separated by comma. Do you know?
Hmm.
So
Right.
let's
Right.
sometimes when someone is learning SQL for the first time, they forget comma. And
Hmm.
let's say I give it like this, right?
Hmm.
As the input. Now see what is the response. So it is giving me hint. When writing a SQL query to select multiple columns, you need to ensure that syntax is correct. Okay, makes sense. Now there is a tip for you. Check your
Hmm.
use of comma between column names in select. Each column name should be separated by comma, right? So it is not giving
Hmm.
you answer, but it is giving you certain tips. Can you see what might be missing between column one and column two in your select clause? How about adding this punctuation change your code, right? So it will not give you any answer, but it will guide you if you are stuck somewhere. It will give you hints, tips, and ask you certain questions, and then you can interact with.